Kamano nyakwa Ramogi kumedo kete Ramogi TV. Pod wantiere weche motenore kod pur to kod weche mag mbolea mabandi giten migawo ma weche pur mithika Linturi. Oyudore tago maliete kinde mane da dhoge komiti mochung'ne weche pur e od bura mamalo. Linturi oyango ne komiti no ni nonro dhi nyime e mbolea mabandi kata kamano. Ne ochune mondo yang matut okenge ma oketo matieko ke mbolea ma kamano.
SBL Innovate fertilizer is not one of the fertilizers we are distributing under the subsidy program. But I think, Chairman, is important, I think, to bring this to the attention of the committee, that SBL Innovate as a soil conditioner is not the fertilizer per se. I'm told is a soil conditioner that they have distributed through our NSPB network. NSPB as a commercial wing where anybody who meets certain criteria will be able to put through their products through our channel system, and NSPB, because it has a commercial wing, will be paid a commission out of the availability of that facility for any manufacturer to distribute this kind of a commodity or any